If I am earning 100 rupees, I am paying 18 rupees in GST and 33 rupees in IT. So my 51 rupees gone. And out of 49 rupees also, I am paying various taxes on various products. So it means that I am running home in 15 rupees out of 100. Dear friends, my name is Jay Prakash and I am from MBA News. MBA News wants we all to be conscious because we have paid 85 rupees to get health, education, water, road and electricity. Dear friends, because our state is inefficient to provide us proper education, and that is the reason why we have opened the avenues for private schooling. Because we don't have a good health facilities, and that is the reason why we have myriads of private hospitals. And because these corrupted politicians have given permission to all these factories which has poisons our underground waters, and that is the reason why even in India, even in our Bharat, we have to pay money for water. Now when it comes to road, because I have purchased my vehicle and we all have given taxes for road, but the moment I have driven to a 4-lane road, suddenly some people come and they ask for taxes. They ask for 200 rupees, 500 rupees. I have asked them for what? They told that because we have made the better roads. After that also, if you cross that tolls and suddenly when you see the government water harvesting project holes on road, nobody is there to refund your money. So don't you think that the way we are giving we are producing health bills and we get rebate in taxes, same way we should take selfie of this water harvesting road and we should get rebates, isn't it? And friends, when our government fails to provide us security, we have to keep our own security force in our societies and in our colonies for our security. So MBA News want we all to be conscious. दोस्तों, इस कोविड पीरियड में ऐसा कई बार हुआ होगा, जो हम मिडिल क्लास फैमिली है उन्होंने गैस का नंबर दिया होगा, लेकिन उनको गैस जो है वो गेट पे मिला होगा और गेट से अपने घर तक ले आने में हालत खराब हो जाती है। तब मालूम पड़ता है कि ये जो गैस के डिलीवरी बॉय होते हैं ये कितना काम किया है इन्होंने कोरोना में। सो सल्यूट टू देम ऑल्सो। और उसमें से एक है ये सागर, जो भारत गैस में काम करते हैं नवी मुंबई में। और सागर से मैंने पूछा कि भाई हम तो ये उठाने जाते हैं तो हमसे तो उठता ही नहीं है, तो आप कैसे उठाते हो? तो उन्होंने कहा कि भले हम दिखते पतले हैं लेकिन हमारी एक टेक्निक होती है। तो हमने कहा जरा उठा के दिखाओ भाई। तो आइए देखते हैं सागर का ये वीडियो और टेक्निक कि ये कैसे उठाते हैं। देखो ये गैस उठाने का टेक्निक होता है इनका। देखो कैसे ये उठाया और ये उन्होंने ले लिया। देखो बॉडी ऐसी है लेकिन इन्होंने कहा कि टेक्निक से हम लोग